Market Outlook for this week by Precise Trader.
Hello everyone, this is Raju C again from Precise Trader. We have the market outlook for the week 13th July to 17th July. Yeah, do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in Forex is risky. Past results are not indicative of future performance. The content on this workshop is mainly educational purpose, and your use of information is entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of trade before you go into live. In Precise Trader, we provide a couple of services, and we are the main. We focus on live signals. We provide live signals on 40 crosses, 4 metals, and 15 CFDs. We also provide trend reports, analytical reports, price level alerts, live workshops. And we do have an online webinar, and we have a live trading webinar on every Wednesday and Friday. And we also have proprietary trading, social trading, consultation, professional trader mentoring. Our live trade signals, we have 5 types. They are mainly scalping, day, swing, momentum, and news. And also do take note that if you fund the account, live account, 1000 US, through and open an account with any of our partners, you get a free subscription of one of the signals as long as you fund it and you trade it. There is a slew of data out next week. There's in fact a lot of data that is coming out, but I'll just highlight to you the key important data. Monday, I think there is not data that is not enough, not important data on Monday. Tuesday, we have pound, a couple of data, claimant count change, GDP, manufacturing, and GDP. And also, we have Euro, German ZU, economic sentiment. And US, we have core CPI. Wednesday, we have BOJ outlook, pound CPI, and Canadian. We have interest rate decisions and core CPI and couple of data. And US, we have crude oil inventories followed by the CAT press conference. Thursday, we have New Zealand CPI, Australian employment change, pound, claimant count change, Euro, we have interest rate decisions and a few data out on for the Euro. And US, we have core retail sales and Philadelphia Fed manufacturing index. Friday, we have pound retail sales, Euro CPI, and US building permits. The previous trade outlook comparison. Okay, last week we had an Euro. The Friday's close was 113, and previous week our call was 11185 to 114, and the market traded was between 11240 and 11370. The grade we got is gold, and the range was within expected. That means within our expected range last week. Pound USD Friday we closed at 12620, and previous week our call was between 12360 and 12680. Actual market traded was 12460 and 12670. This is also, we got a gold on this cross, and this range was within expected. Dollar yen, we have the market closed at 106.90, and the range that we indicated was 106.60 and 109.70. Actual market traded was 106.65, 107.80. Again, this one we got gold, and this range was as expected. Aussie dollar, Friday's close was 69.5. The actual trading range, our call was 68.40 and 70.60. Actual market traded was 69.20 and 70 figure. Again, we got gold, and this was also, the range was as expected. Last but not least, this Canadian dollars. Okay, Friday's close was 135.95, and previous week our call was between 137.20 and 133.80. In fact, we were expecting this cross to go lower. The actual market traded was in the region of 136.30 and 134.90. So in fact, we slightly missed our target, but it's within range, and we got gold, and this range was as expected. So overall is, we have given for 5, we have started given for 5, and out of this 5 comparisons, we got 22 gold and 3 silver, which is quite close to the market. The expectation outlook for the week 13 July to 17 July. Okay, we expect a continued range trading on the dollar yen, Aussie, and dollar CAD, but a potential breakout USD weakness for euro and pound. We believe that euro USD and pound USD may break out higher, and the dollar CAD may break out lower if no surprises are seen from the central bank's rate policy statement. In fact, take note that we have a Canadian interest rate announcement and euro rate announcement next week. So unless we don't get any surprises, this is what is expected. Trade outlook for the week 13 July to 17 July. Euro dollar, the trend we are looking at is sideways up, and the price action is, we are expecting the price to trade above 11250, and we need to see the bulls breaking 11370 and 11420. So if it breaks, then we are expecting the price to move higher. The critical level we are watching is 11420 and 11240. So in other words, we are not seeing the price lower below 11240, and once it breaks 11420, we are seeing the price higher. So the next week range we are expecting is 11240 to 11490. We are expecting a breakout higher, and the base is more or less confirmed. So in other words, what we feel is a low is already been seen, and we believe that once the price starts to break above, then we should see the price moving higher. Pound USD, the trend is sideways up, and the price action is, we are expecting the price to be above 12570, and we must also see the bulls breaking 12680. The critical level we are looking at is 12680 and 12530. So in other words, we are not expecting the price to go lower than 12530 for next week, and once it breaks 12680, then we see the price moving higher. So the next week range, we are looking somewhere 12560 to 12815. We are expecting a breakout higher, and the base is also confirmed this week. Dollar yen, the trend we are looking at is limited down, and the price action is saying that it should trade above 106 figure, and we should see the price, the bulls breaking 107.40. The critical level we are looking at is 106 figure and 107.50. So next week range, we are expecting 106 to 109.15. So in order to see this price moving higher, the 107.50 must breach, and the price has to move higher in order for us to reach our range top, which is 109.15. But we are expecting a range trading on this cross. So we are not expecting a very big move happen. So chances are, it might go, maybe it might be even within 109.15. Aussie dollar, the trend we are looking at is congestion up, and the price action is telling us the price must trade above 68.90, and we should see the bulls breaking above 70. The critical level we are looking at is 68.90 and 70.70. So in other words, we are not expecting, we are expecting the 68.90 to hold. So worst scenario, the next week range, we are expecting somewhere between 68.70 to 70.70. So if the price breaks 70, then we may see 70.70. Otherwise, it might be in a very tight range. USD CAD, you're looking at congestion down. Price action is saying, the price has to be less than 136.5, and the bears must break 135.60. The critical level we are looking at is 137.15 and 133.20. And next week range, we are expecting somewhere 136.70 and 133.20. So in other words, we are expecting the price, the high to hold near 136.70, and we have to see the price breaking 135.60, and if it breaks, then we see the price moving lower towards 133.20. We are expecting a range trading on this cross again, but if the BOC, Bank of Canada, did surprise or did say something for the Canadian dollars to strengthen, then we see the price moving lower. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. And looking forward to see you again next week. Thank you. Good luck.
Please click to subscribe below. Thank you and see you soon.